this is a diagram of DMA controller. Here, what is the purpose of address register? It contains address of the desired location in memory. That means the location in the memory that is to be accessed, that address is stored in the address register. Word count register, it keeps track of the number of words to be transferred. Okay. Control register, it specifies mode of transfer, whether the mode is read, that means whether the input output device wants to read the data from the memory or it wants to write something on the memory. So this is a DS and RS. DS means DMA select, RS means register select. It is used by the CPU to select registers in the DMA. Okay. So when BG equals to 0, that means जब बस ग्रांट 0 है. बस ग्रांट 0 का मतलब क्या है कि CPU ने कंट्रोल नहीं दिया है उसको DMA को. ठीक है, तभी बस ग्रांट 0 होगी. अगर बस ग्रांट एक्टिवेटेड होगी then it means CPU has given the control of the buses to the DMA controller. If that means CPU can read or write from or into DMA register using data bus. Okay. When DG equals to 1, जब DG 1 होगा, that means the CPU has given the control of buses to the DMA. Control of the buses to the DMA controller communicates directly with the memory. DMA request and DMA acknowledgement. It is used by DMA controller to communicate with peripherals according to handshaking mechanism. So next is DMA initialization. Process को start कौन करता है? I told you earlier also that CPU is responsible for initialization as well as for end process. So DMA is first initialized by CPU by sending the following information through the data bus. DMA is starting address of the memory block where data is available for reading or where data needs to be written. That means CPU is responsible for providing the address in the memory location from where data is to be read or where data is to be written. Okay, जो address है वो कौन provide करता है? Address is provided by the CPU, memory location का address, कि किस location को read करना है और कहाँ पे write करना है, वो address specify करता है CPU. Second है word count, block of data, or you can say words to be transferred. Words to be transferred. Okay, this is stored in the word count. At the end, it will become 0 and indicate that the process is complete. So next is control. Control, it is specified by control register. Whether read operation has to perform or write operation has to perform. It is specified by the control register. So next is a control to start the DMA transfer. That is also given by the CPU during the DMA transfer. That means that is in use for the DMA. Okay. Both read and write are bidirectional. You can see here that read and write. Now where are the read and write signals? These are the read write signals. These are the read write signals in the CPU. These are the read write signals of the memory. Okay. You can see that both are the bidirectional arrows. Okay. You can see here that bidirectional means the information can flow in both the directions. Okay, so they are bidirectional. Direction of transfer depends upon the BG line. BG line है, then DMA controller, input output device और memory, ये तीनों activated होंगे. ठीक है, so it depends upon the bus ground line. जब BG 0 होगा, when BG is equal to 0, that means there is no role of DMA controller here. तो इस केस में DMA नहीं होगा. Okay, so read and write act as a input lines allowing CPU to communicate with DMA registers. Now CPU communicate करेगा उसके साथ. When BG is equal to 1, read and write act as an output line allowing DMA controller to communicate with RAM. ठीक है, जब BG की वैल्यू 1 है तब रीड एंड राइट सिग्नल्स क्या करेगा? DMA कंट्रोलर डायरेक्टली कम्युनिकेट करेगा मेमोरी के रीड एंड राइट सिग्नल्स के साथ. सबसे पहले क्या होगा? फर्स्ट स्टेप विल बी CPU initialize DMA through data bus. Okay, once DMA receives the start control command, it starts the transfer between peripheral and memory. बोल देगा that you can start. अपने बसेस का कंट्रोल DMA को दे देगा. उसके बाद DMA can transfer the data between peripheral and memory. When peripheral devices Send a DMA request. DMA controller activate BR line. CPU respond with BG line. Okay. After that, DMA then puts the current value of its address register into the address bus. DMA क्या करेगा, एड्रेस रजिस्टर में से वैल्यू को, जो एड्रेस की वैल्यू है उसको एड्रेस बस पे फ्लोट कर देगा, and that will initiate the read or write signal and send a DMA acknowledgement to the peripheral. DMA request और DMA acknowledgement ये किसके कहाँ से आ रही है, इनपुट आउटपुट डिवाइस से. इनपुट आउटपुट डिवाइस DMA कंट्रोलर को रिक्वेस्ट भेज रही है कि वो डेटा ट्रांसफ़र करना चाहती है, सो दैट इज़ बेसिकली DMA रिक्वेस्ट. ओके, जब DMA कंट्रोलर ने उसकी रिक्वेस्ट एक्सेप्ट कर ली, इट विल सेंड द DMA acknowledgement signal to the input output device. Okay, so this is a handshaking method. When a peripheral receives DMA acknowledgement, it puts a word on the data bus or reads a word from it. After each word is transferred, DMA controller increments the address register. Suppose DMA controller increment the value of address register and decrement the word count register. Okay, this I told you that जो word count register है उसमें जितना भी डेटा आपने ट्रांसफर करना है वो स्टोर होगा. एट द एंड इट विल बिकम 0 and it will tell that all the data transfer process has been done. Okay, so there is no data left for the transfer. As long as word count equal to 0, the DMA controller keeps checking the DMA request line. जब तक word count 0 नहीं हो जाता तब तक DMA controller चेक करता रहेगा DMA request line को, मतलब इनपुट आउटपुट डिवाइस से जो भी इसको रिक्वेस्ट आ रही है उस लाइन को वो चेक करता रहेगा until the word count value will become 0. When word count becomes 0, the DMA controller stop and removes the bus request. वो उस लाइन को ही, इस लाइन को क्या कर देगा, रिमूव कर देगा जब वर्ड काउंट क्या हो जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा. मतलब इनपुट आउटपुट डिवाइस के पास अभी कुछ भी नहीं है डेटा सेंड करने के लिए. ओके, कैसे करेगा, थ्रू एन इंटरप्ट टू द CPU. ये इंटरप्ट सिग्नल भेजेगा वो CPU को कि अभी वर्ड काउंट, जब भी वर्ड काउंट जो इसकी वैल्यू 0 हो गई, वर्ड काउंट रजिस्टर है कहाँ पे, DMA के अंदर है. ठीक है, उसको इनिशिएट कौन कर रहा है, इनपुट आउटपुट डिवाइस कर रही है. व्हेन वर्ड काउंट वैल्यू विल बिकम 0, देन DMA कंट्रोलर विल सेंड द इंटरप्ट सिग्नल टू द CPU. और ये इंटरप्ट सिग्नल क्या इंडिकेट कर रहा है, इट इज़ इंडिकेटिंग दैट the DMA controller has completed its process and it will transfer the control of buses to the CPU. Okay, you receive the interrupt. अब CPU के पास interrupt आ गया, कब आएगा, when word count is equal to 0. Okay, it reads the content of the word count register. वो फिर भी चेक करने के लिए रीड करेगा word count के रजिस्टर, word count रजिस्टर की वैल्यू को. अगर 0 आएगा then the data was transferred successfully. That means अगर word count रजिस्टर की वैल्यू 0 होगी, it means the data has transferred successfully. CPU can read this register at any time to check the status of data transfer. So the DMA controller may have more than one channels. In that case, each channel has its own pair of request and acknowledge lines. तो उनके पास अपना DMA acknowledge और request क्या होगा, सेपरेट होंगे. ठीक है, DMA कंट्रोलर हम मल्टीपल कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं अलॉन्ग विद द इनपुट आउटपुट डिवाइसेस, ताकि उससे क्या होगी, उससे स्पीड अप हो जाएगा जो प्रोसेस है, डेटा ट्रांसफर प्रोसेस, इट विल स्पीड अप. ओके, सारी चीज़ें अलग होंगी, सेपरेट होंगी. प्रायोरिटी कैन बी एस्टैब्लिश्ड अकॉर्डिंगली.